Good morning, Yuvraj.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you very much. So, Yuvraj, for the first time, we are having one-on-one session, right?
Yes.
So, how are you feeling?
I am feeling good.
Great. So, what do you think? What topic should we discuss today?
Mm,
Shall we discuss importance of English in our daily life?
Important English. Okay.
Okay. So, do you think that English is really important?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you think that we should be able to speak English fluently, confidently?
Because uh, uh, our English is not confident, then no one's n- no one's friendship with us.
Okay, okay. I don't believe that only because of lack of knowledge of English, no one will befriend you.
Yes, but sometimes someone not ignore you
Okay.
when your English is not
Okay, you mean to
confident.
say that if your English is not good,
Only something.
some people might ignore you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me ask you one question. Do you know what is the national language of India?
Yes.
What is it? Tell me.
Marathi.
Marathi is state language. Marathi is state language of Maharashtra. I want to ask you the national language of India, national language of our country.
I don't know.
Okay. So let me tell you, some people believe, some people think, those who don't know, they think that Hindi is national language.
No.
But that's not the truth.
India has no language.
Correct, absolutely right. India has no national language. Then what?
Mm.
India has?
There are
Yes.
many languages, all language.
Yeah, there are many official languages or
Like Sindhi also.
Sindhi is
Marathi.
also, yes, yes, correct.
All.
But especially there are two official languages which are given special importance, special significance, special importance in.
Hindi, English.
Yes, correct. You're absolutely right. Hindi and English. And as we have these official languages, that is Hindi and English, we cannot ignore them, right?
Yes.
If you want to interact with the people all over India, then you must know some language which is understood by all of them.
In my school, no one ignore me because we speak Hindi.
Correct. Yes. But suppose you spoke Hindi, you spoke Sindhi only. Sindhi. Then what would happen?
Oh.
Majority of students would not be able to understand your language, right?
Yes.
You can speak Hindi. That is why you can interact with every student,
Yes.
every classmates of you easily, comfortably. Similarly, if you know English, then you can interact with anyone. You can interact or speak with any person at any corner of the world. Yes. Right? So that is the main benefit of learning English, speaking English. So do you agree on this? Uh, I mean, do you agree with me on this point?
Yes.
So what efforts are you taking to improve your English?
Efforts.
Hmm.
I effort.
You join this class?
Yes.
This is also kind of no effort. Okay, what else are you doing? What else do you do at home?
Do at home.
To improve your English.
To improve my English.
Do you read books?
No.
You don't read books? Story books?
Yes, sometimes I read story books.
Great. That's really, very important. If you keep reading stories in English, automatically you will be able to enrich your vocabulary. It will also enhance your knowledge. It will also enrich your vocabulary. So you will gain two things by reading storybooks. Okay, what do you like? You like watching Mobile phones or reading books?
My God. Not, I
What do you
not
prefer?
like to read storybook,
Neither
but
do.
my mother told me read storybooks, read
Okay,
story.
your mother tells you, your mother asks you to read storybooks.
So sometimes I read.
Okay, okay. So, do you remember any story?
Yes, I remember one story.
Okay, could you please tell me that story?
Uh, but that is a Hindi story. I tell you
In English, English, yes.
I remember two stories.
Okay, tell me the names of those stories, then I will choose. Okay.
One lion.
One is lion story, and second one?
No, lion and rat. Friendship story.
Friendship story. Okay, lion and rat. Yes.
Second is
That of
one interesting story.
there is
That is
one more interesting story. Okay, first you tell me the lion and rat story.
one time ago.
Is it lion story or mouse? Lion and mouse?
Both.
Okay, okay, okay.
One time ago, a rat.
One time.
No, lion was sleeping.
Okay, how did you start? Once upon a time.
Yes.
Once upon a time. Okay.
Once upon a time, lion was sleeping.
A lion was sleeping. Okay.
And rat comes and slide.
Okay.
On his tail.
Okay, then?
Lion disturbs. So lion
wakes up,
and catch the rat.
Okay, he catches the rat. Okay.
And then lion say, I eat you. So
the lion says, I will eat you.
I will eat you.
Okay.
So the rat say, no, please not eat me.
Then the rat says, don't eat me.
Don't eat me.
Okay.
In future, I can
help you. Yes, yes.
The lion say, how you
lion says, say or says?
Says.
The lion says,
Lion says, how can you help me?
How can you help me? Okay. Yes, it's actually, when a rat or small mouse says that I will help you, it appears to be, bragging, boasting.
Yes.
How can a small mouse or rat help such a huge, big lion?
Yes.
Okay, then?
Then lion says, okay, I
believe you. I believe in you.
Okay, I trust in you.
Okay, I trust you.
So, lion catch
Lion leaves him.
Leaves him.
Let him go.
Okay. And rat was good.
Rat runs away.
Rat runs away.
Okay, then?
So, on next day, rat was enjoying with his family.
Yes.
And lion was sleeping.
Yes. As usual.
Yes.
It was sleeping. We can also say he. If we know the gender of some animal, we can use he, she. But if we do not know the gender, we can use it. Okay. We will keep using either of the
He
two.
is sleeping.
Okay, he is sleeping.
He is sleeping. And then one shikari.
Yes, hunter.
One hunter
Comes. Came means the action happened. Comes. Okay.
And trap the lion.
Okay.
And goes somewhere.
Okay. Takes.
Who
goes?
Fishing.
Okay, the hunter goes away
Fishing.
for fishing. Okay. Then
lion
was roaring, or he was in pains. He was asking for help.
Yes.
From someone. He was.
Then rat hears his lion's voice.
Okay, he hears.
So rat runs.
Or rushes to the spot.
And then his
with his teeth.
he opened the nets,
bites away the
bites
net,
the net,
and
and lion was
lion is relieved.
relieved.
Yes, okay. So he comes out of that trap.
Yes,
So,
and then story was end.
okay, then the story comes to an end. Great. So it's really very interesting story. So what did
And I have one more story.
okay, okay. But before we move to
Next
another story, next story, uh, could you please explain the moral, the lesson which we
Yes.
learn from this story? What we
Moral
learn?
of the story is mm, I know it in Hindi.
Okay, okay. Yes, the moral of the story is that, yes, you tell me in Hindi. Let us
मोरल
convert it.
स्टोरी का है कि चाहे जानवर का शरीर कितना भी छोटा हो,
हाँ.
वो कभी ना कभी काम आ ही जाता है.
Oh, great, great, great. So size doesn't matter. Size doesn't matter.
Size doesn't matter the power.
Yes, yes, yes. The power depends on the skills, right? Skills, abilities. So the mouse or the rat had the ability to bite away, to cut the cut down or break or bite that net.
Every
and
animal have one special power.
special power, correct? Some special ability
Yes.
which can be used on in some trouble or in
Emergency.
some emergency. Yes, correct.
So next story was very interesting.
Okay.
One, there are five
Five
wizards.
five wizards. Okay.
They went
Wizards or lizards?
wizards.
Wizards. Okay. Huh.
They went to the jungle for
Okay.
some work.
For some work. Okay.
They saw
Hmm.
a lion's bone,
Lion's bone.
Bone
Okay.
of
Okay.
lion.
Hmm.
and they say, let's. And one wizard say,
Hmm.
let's give another life to this lion.
Okay. 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 So they knew some mantras. They knew some.
No.
Then
Then one wizard say, no, they eat you.
they will
But-
eat you.
Yes.
Okay. Huh. They will eat
And
you.
then four wizards say, no, they not eat us.
They can't.
They can't eat
They
us.
means how
Because-
many lions were there? Only one lion, no?
Yes, one lion bone.
One lion bones.
And there are five wizards.
Five wizards. Okay. You mean
One
to say?
wizard say,
Huh.
no, don't give him another life.
Huh.
Otherwise, they eat you.
They will eat you.
He will eat you.
He will. Yes. Yes. That is what actually I was getting confused whether there were many. I mean more
Lions
lions
or
or only one lions. Only
One
one lion.
lion.
There was only one lion, and
One
his bones were spread all over
So
there.
four wizards say, no, why he eat? Why we
Okay.
eat?
Do you mean to say that
Yes.
all the bones were scattered
Yes.
over there? Okay.
Yes.
And the bones belong to one lion.
Yes.
Correct? Only one lion.
Yes.
And these wizards wanted to give life, another life to
Yes.
that lion.
Yes.
And those all those bones belong to that lion,
Yes.
which was dead.
Yes.
Okay, okay. What happened next then?
So four wizards say, why they eat us?
Why will he?
Why will he eat us? Because we give him another life.
We will, if we give him another life, if we save him or give another life, right? So why will he kill us? Right?
So
Eat us.
one wizard say, so let I hide somewhere, then you give another life to
Okay,
the lion.
Okay, you mean to say that the rest of the wizards decided to hide somewhere? We had some tree.
No, one wizard.
Okay, only one wizard decided to
Yes.
hide behind one tree.
No.
On
On
he
tree.
climbed up the tree.
Yes.
Okay, and the rest of the
Rest of the wizard
How many?
decided to four.
how many? Four. Okay, four.
Wizard
Huh.
decided to
Give-
revive the lion.
Okay.
So then he says